Welcome to JH. Today, we are examining Instatroid, a tool that has recently gained significant traction on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. This application asserts that it can uncover hidden Instagram information, such as direct messages, profile viewers, and other confidential interactions, simply by providing a username. While this might seem like the perfect solution for those wanting to monitor account activity, we must ask if these claims are actually realistic. Let's look at how it functions. Upon visiting the Instatroid website, you are prompted to input any Instagram handle. The site then guarantees it will reveal private data, including who has been viewing your page or engaging in secret chats. However, the reality is far more complicated. Although the interface appears to be linking with Instagram's database, it lacks the actual capability to access or display any private user data. Typically, once you provide a username, the site requires you to finish human verification steps. These usually involve installing various apps, completing marketing surveys, or submitting your private contact details. This is a frequent strategy employed by fraudulent websites to harvest your data or lead you toward malicious content. There are several warning signs to consider, such as the fact that these domains are often brand new, have anonymous registration details, and mirror the layout of known scam sites. It is important to understand that these promises regarding private Instagram access are completely false. Instagram's security protocols do not permit external tools to view private messages or profile visitors without direct authorization. Ultimately, Instatroid is not a legitimate service and cannot provide the data it advertises. It is merely part of a growing trend of deceptive sites designed to trick users into sharing personal info or downloading risky software. You should always remain skeptical of any service offering effortless access to private social media statistics. If you want to track your engagement, it is best to use Instagram's built-in tools or verified third-party analytics that comply with their official terms of service. Stay protected and avoid suspicious platforms like Instatroid.